Today we are working on Jasper Active Lesson 3, the 7th lesson, which is called Organizing Macros. So this is the document that you should have open. We're going to learn how to share our macros. So, first thing we need to do is press Alt F8. Alt F8. Make sure you click in the document first so it knows you're there. And that opens the macros dialog box. This document does not have any macros. So, click the organizer and click right here, organizer, and then click the macro project items tab if necessary. You have styles, you have macro project items. The macros in the Need Some Macros document display in the list box on the left. This list is currently empty. The macros in the normal template display in the list box on the right. Click the Close File for the normal template, the box on the right. So click this Close File. Click the Open File button for the box on the right, and then navigate to the Jasper Active Resources folder. So Documents, Jasper Active Resources. Display the Files of Type drop-down list. It currently shows all Word templates. And select Word Macro Enabled Documents. Word Macro Enabled Documents. And look at there. Handy Tools. So click Handy Tools and then Open. So you now see that over here. Click Ensure New Macros is selected. You can see that it is selected in the box on the right, and then click Copy. And that copies that file into the Need Some Macros documents on the left. And then click Close to close the organizer dialog box. So we'll mark that as answered. And we're going to run them imported macros. So Control Home. And then hang on, I pressed the wrong thing. Control Home. When you press Control Home, that puts you at the top of the document. And then press Alt F8, and that opens up the macros dialog box. The document now contains 2 macros. In the list box, click Letterhead, and then click Run. The macro runs and inserts the inside address and the current date to the document. That's what we worked on before. In the document, select the comma delimited text from The Witch of the Hollows through all the way through 358. So we want to select all of this text. Press Alt F8. It's going to open our dialog box. Double click New Books Table. That runs the macro. The selected text is converted to a table and a table style is applied. Look at there. Save the document. So click File, Save As. Need to make sure we go to My Projects folder and Got My Macros. And we want to change this to a Word Macro Enabled Document. My Projects folder. Click Save. And mark as answered. Submit. Submit results. And congratulations, we have now completed Lesson 3 of Word Expert.